Underwood deviled ham and chicken came in a little can, probably still does. It was very big back in the day, in the 60s. And I'm trying to bring it back. It's delicious, it's a wonderful brunch item, and it's fun for parties. The same method you can use for crab, for ham, or for chicken. For crab, you're gonna start for each batch of deviled crab with 1 pound of lump crab meat. Make sure you run your fingers through it to not only break the crab up, but to double check for shells, of course. For the ham, I would take a pound of ham, coarsely chop it, a nice mild baked ham or cooked ham. I use prosciutto cotto. It's got a nice sweet flavor to it. Coarsely chop it, put it in the food processor. For the chicken, I just pick up a rotisserie chicken and I remove all of the skin and of course pull the chicken from the bones. I then put the chicken in the food processor. For the chicken or the ham, what you're trying to do is process it down until it's literally very, very fine, okay? This is the consistency you need to mix it together with the other ingredients. For any of the three, to make deviled ham or chicken or crab, I then take half of an onion per pound of ham, chicken, or crab, half of an onion coarsely chopped, a couple of small ribs of celery from the heart of the celery with the leafy tops, 1 clove of garlic, a small handful of thyme, a little handful of parsley, and 1 chili pepper. Red or green, doesn't matter. Pull the seeds out, and I just break that up a little as I'm throwing it into the food processor. Now we're gonna pulse process this. To a very fine mixture. So you take this mix, pop it in the bowl with the chicken, and then to devil it, you're going to add a few tablespoons of hot sauce, some Dijon, fat splash of Worcestershire sauce, a little relish. You mix that all together until it's evenly combined. Taste it, of course, to adjust some salt and pepper. Remember, you use the exact same recipe for deviled ham, deviled crab, or deviled chicken. I serve it with toast points, potato chips, very tasty delivery device for the salty deliciousness going on here. And then, just for color, throw out a little crudité. But remember, nobody's gonna eat it, so don't waste a lot of time.